I don't like cleaning, but my mama makes me anyway. She said, I'm sick of this crap, or you gonna clean the house today. She said, I'ma go to the store, and when I come home, it better be done. I said, no problem, ma, I'ma pick my shit up one by one. When she walked out the door, I started cleaning like she said. The only problem is I am easily distracted. I started cleaning shit till something shiny caught my eye. It was a plastic square with dimensions of 3.5. That's a floppy disk on the floor. There's a floppy disk on the floor. Boom. That's a floppy disk on the floor. That's a floppy disk on the floor. Ow. That's a floppy disk on the floor. There's a floppy disk on the floor. Ow. That's a floppy disk on the floor. There's a floppy disk on the floor. Next thing I knew, door flew right open. She came in with groceries. Oh no, all I did was sing this song. Maybe I have ADD. She pointed fervently at all the mess, her eyes ablaze. But then she froze right there when something shiny caught her gaze. I'm sure it wasn't hard to see how little I had done. But then she looked at me and then we sang in unison. That's a floppy disk on the floor. That's a floppy disk on the floor. Boom. There's a floppy disk on the floor. There's a floppy disk on the floor. Ow. There's a floppy disk on the floor. There's a floppy disk on the floor. Ow. There's a floppy disk on the floor. There's a floppy disk on the floor. So it was, we stood right there just singing that repeatedly. The only explanation is that it was destiny. Or maybe black magic, but we all know that don't exist. I guess I'll sing the chorus one more time if you insist. There's a floppy disk on the floor. There's a floppy disk on the floor. Boom. There's a floppy disk on the floor. There's a floppy disk on the floor. Ow. There's a floppy disk on the floor. There's a floppy disk on the floor. Ow. There's a floppy disk on the floor. There's a floppy disk on the floor. There's a floppy disk on the floor.